Morning scalpers, afternoon here in the UK, and morning to everybody in the Eastern Standard Time, and welcome to the final live stream of the week with the Mohawk Forex scalping team. So thanks for watching, and obviously if you like what we do, hit that like button, share and subscribe, and all the information on how to join the group youtube.com and description. So today we're going to look at the market open in about 25 minutes in my session, which has been following US30 and gold this morning. We've had a few trades already after trading the PMI news in Europe. Started off with the UK 100 FTSE this morning, just pre-market. We've got some nice wins on that, about 4-5 trades on that. We traded the DAX on the French market PMI and the actual German one as well. Got some wins on that. We didn't do anything on the Euro, and again we got in on the UK PMI, which was a nice win buy. So we had a sell and a buy on the FTSE. Unusual, it's quite nice. Trade that. And the last news of the week, as far as we're concerned, the scalpers in the upcoming market composite, services and manufacturing. All these are important news events, and obviously the composite is the combined anything above 54 buys, low, sells, did you want all three go the same way? If not, go out the three to go the same way, which is what we did earlier on the ones. Yeah, we'll sit back, watch the charts, see if we can get some trades in on the open. 30 on in. So in the Asian session, we had a nice sell-off, we had a rebound for London start before a drop off again, so quite a bit of bad news flying around, and then we've had this nice second leg W for the rest of the session, and now we've had a kind of forming our nice structure, a W M pattern. So what we're looking for at the moment, quick scalp on the open, looking for buys. We're well oversold, had re-entries on our RSI below the 25 level, but trades there. We're 93% to the downside, coming up a strong support. So with 20 minutes to go, that's my thought. Looking to we get 1,500 a buy on this egg. Best. So again, lower. Inflation news, Biden news, odd news flying around. The market is keeping really kind of down in this pattern. And on the flip side, obviously gold has been loving it and has broke good the opposite way. Steady rise, consolidation during London. Big surprise there. So had a nice buy early on on the open. Consolidation left gold alone is trapped between our breakout zone. Then when I came on there, it's broken. Had the area 9.6. Now it's on its way. It's back up to its favourite 1800 mark at the moment, and predicting possible drop. Again, this is the opposite to 30. It's actually well over, well over 7. Again, looking for a little 50 to 100 point back before again potential climb again. All depends on the news. The PMI that's coming out will help determine whether gold is going to get to 1820, like above this 1810 heavy resistance zone, 1815, 18 and up 20 day if the news is bad. Set on a now bring my patterns. here. That will be range a little bit. Sit. It's 1800 zone. It's wild to get back up there, but we're over this last 2 or 3 1800 in kind of special zone, and once breaking of that, you can sell on this one. 350. But we'll probably have to draw this. Trades. And again, bullish. RSI is pulling. Not going to do sales. Waiting. Going up. Get that. Down to 13 on the up. Really up to that. You can see Facebook, but all this kind of news and tech, but effects set for lower as well. RG, lots of seasonal out as well. News, actually A. You know, you see here, look, YouTube. So, looking at little push up, counter trend trade. Of course, if it goes wrong about the trade and hang and wait, we've sat on this nice support zone. We're here before the open. 100 point back. See how the market acts, or the news 15 minutes after, and then we'll trade that, see how that goes, and that's it. That'll be the end of the stream today. Just a quick one, I'd say, because we've done a lot already. And we had 2 wins on the Aussie 200, a couple of wins on the China 50, the Hong Kong as well. So, we're 19 trades, so we're 19 trades up, no losses. And we know 24. I did a bit more yesterday, 32, but I like that. 24, 25 trades is kind of my average. So we'll see what we can pull out on. Two plus. Yeah, nice little. And then gold. Like to dip now. News. Coming up as well. That was 60,000 markers. You can see here on our grid system, I'm 67, it's kind of tested it now, back a little bit, and we're waiting to break this trend line. If it pulls up again, breaks the trend line, can break this zone, then we're up to 64, then it's going to pull back from 64, and then climb up a little. Once it's sat on our trend line, it's 65, this bull run. Expecting it to do. I was talking to someone today who was talking about 300,000 Bitcoin in the next year, 100,000 before the end of the year. I think everyone's thinking the same. Yeah, we're just going to get these minor corrections all the time where people are just taking profit on a small time frame like this. You know, reach sold high, fell off, and buy back. So we're just literally there. So the RSI just crossed it. Might be a bit selling. It could all down to 63.1 area or watching. Might do a live stream Bitcoin over the weekend. If it continues this, we might get in on action a little bit. Today, focus on really the results this week. It's totally fine. Really is. Fine time. Worse. Better in the UK. Right. So yeah, you can go either way, no one knows. If you want to know information, just click and you. I expected to. Could be good. This could be 56, 57, and get a buy on medium, or get a sell on gold. See what the first watch RSI out of the. Nice if it comes up this neutral. Get a buy. Actually, second day. Good. On heavy support now. See, there's a range down here. About 10 minutes before we enter a trade. Okay, well, we're just going to go and grab a coffee. Back in 5 minutes for the open. On my back, here we go. Right, just in time. Got like 3 minutes to go till we enter a trade. US30 is sat exactly where we need to be. Look, just right on our nice support zone. So like I say, I'm going to be looking to go in this direction on the open. Let's see if we can get a TP. Got some flat parts of our baseline here and here, look. So set that as our TP. want to be in and out because obviously the news, you know, we're not going to be holding a trade, you know, I want to get caught on that. And then same on this. Alright, so it's just starting to come up out of the zone lots, so it's great. Remember, we'll probably get a flash either way, but this is what I'm looking at to get to. Where it drops, might drop a bit more, catch some of this center leg, and then it drops down. And same on gold as well. Minutes to go. Keep watching. And just exactly where it is. Right, so get in. Oh. Go. Flying around a little bit, but that's what you expect. Be a nice open. Was getting a trade, you know, kind of like a minute before, whatever. Buy. Yeah. Try and catch some nice spikes. Don't be scared by the spikes, go the opposite way, you know. That's why we do scalping. We're already in profit on gold already. Dipping down, see if it reaches this line here. Look, that's what I want, would be nice. Oh, 100 points, great. With about 30 seconds to go, we're in profit on everything at the moment, so we're just waiting to see if we hit any of our TPs. Let it fly around a little bit. And like I say, we'll set up then for the PMIs. Get ready. Let's see what we get. 30 done. US30 is just done for us. There you go. Look, spike straight up. Let's just look at gold. Gold's going to be a bit slower to react. Here it comes. That was a nice win on the US30. We got 40 and 40, so we got $120 there in what, 30 seconds? That. Nice buy, as I said. counter trend. There's always a little pullback. Look at that, beautiful. There it is, there's a spike, that's what I wanted to see. True scalping in action. There you go, look at that. Right up to our neutral resistance point. I think we've got that absolutely spot on. See what's happening with gold. Gold just ranging around a little bit, as it usually does. It always forming this kind of pattern. So bang. Well, we're getting a couple more sells in at the moment. If it's going to peak up again, it's an opportunity to put more sells in. The US30 we're out, we're going to wait for the news on US30, we're just holding on gold at the moment. Let this spike up a little bit. Remember, it's the first 15 minutes, that's why it's good, it's just before the news. The first 5 candles, you're going to get this kind of volatility. And again, this is where you're not using stop losses. You know, my kind of mental stop losses above here or above here, you know. It all depends on your account size, but I'm not going to be wicked out by something like this. Open, you know. RSI just literally bounced off our average line, you see. So we just need to dip down, maybe get to 63, 5, 60 then up, 62, and we're in the money, you know. We're well up already. Look at the US30. Woohoo! Talk about a liquidity grab. This is amazing. I love it. Absolutely love it. Why the hell would you want to miss out on getting this? If people want to steer clear of it. That's basically $1,000 there, could have been. That is a great pullback. Look at that, all the way back. And now, of course, we're up here. We're going to be looking to make some sells in this pullback. Get in, let's get in. Going to flash in and out on this. Pullback, look at it. Great. So we've got the news coming up as well, remember, so I love this flashing around, it's great. Remember, always start at the top, buy at the bottom, that's the way. The ball to the bottom here. And this come into play. RSI 67, still quite potent, but we'll get a retest of this support zone. Here she comes. Metal gold. Love watching price action. Great. And all this from the bad news. You're saying I told you it would reverse on the open. Perfect. Oh, just ranging at the moment. Got basically 9 minutes to the news. 9 minutes to the news. So nice to end the trades before in on at the moment. So we're well up for the day, so we're playing just with house money, not risking any of my own account. Let this see, that's a nice push again. This is a time to be looking at sells again, heavy resistance. But if the news is good, going up. News is bad, coming down, obviously, depending on the result. See if we can end some trades before that happens. 8 minutes to go. Look at gold. Around. Beautiful, look at that. It's great because we've raised this to our neutral zone now. Just the second leg. What we're looking for now. Hitting the breakout zone. Go. In our breakout zone, so it's all nice. Let's see if we can structure that. Beautiful. Again, if we get to RSI 75, we can go in for a flash buy. Got a couple of positions open. Gold's deciding to go up as well. It's going to retest and then drop, so that's fine as well. Getting this leg form early now, that's seeing it, which is great. It's going to be interesting to see if the news pushes it into our structure or away from it. In there, brilliant. We just got $30 there with a quick flash buy on that US30. Perfect. Great. Now we can catch the sells as well. I want to get it back down to our breakout zone. And this is going to be a massive crash down. It's going to be great. Holding. We've got heavy resistance, so see if we get a pull down. Got as far as 81 last time before dropping, so $20, something like that out of it. Minutes to the news, so let's get ready. Be a nice M pattern on gold. Great. Oh, beautiful push again. Look at that. It's hit that 79. Another nice buy. Perfect. Yeah, another nice re-entry. Quick scalp. Zoom out so you can see levels, retesting, breaking high, adjust, great pattern for that. Our trend line, so let's see if we will get a retest down to our breakout and our trend line that we're looking at. So if the news is bad, we're going to load some more cells in. That was a nice win on gold. A nice win on US30 on the open. A nice little cheeky sell on gold as well. Actually took one loss, 54 cents, 54p on US30 on the buy. I don't know why, I think I just didn't click out of it quick enough, so that's okay. That's the one red. There we go, 1 minute to go, get ready. Right, let's see what this news gives us. Countdown, 40 seconds. Get back to the broker, let's get ready. I would like to say position just right. We either go for a buy up to 18.010, 18.10, or we'll take the sell, depending on this result. And US30 is same, we can go up to that 3570 zone if it's a buy, but let's see what we're going to get. At 10 seconds. But overall, we're better than expected. Brilliant. Watch this fly up. There. We're in profit. Now TP, look at that, perfect. Gold, so gold, we should see a dip now on gold. The structure has actually gone the right way for us, it's perfect. Nice win on the buy on US30, now it's dropping. This. The trade's still running, we're well up at the moment, which is great. I decided to come back to our, had some hidden bearish divergence, we pushed us up, look, you can see. So the news again, the manufacturing was down, but overall the composite was up 57 and the services, so this is what really drive the market and drove that spike up for that win. So 2, 1, 4, 5, US30. Perfect. Great stuff, right, we'll let this play out. And a nice end to the week. A couple of nice wins. Like I say, I've got a couple of sells running on gold, just going to let them play out. Here comes RSI, look, 64. Get back down to this level. Watch, keep watching. 5 minutes. Size 64, it's about to cross the average line. US30 pushing back now, look. Heavy resistance. Friday afternoon, Friday, you know, so we're just holding, waiting. Here's the push up. There you go. What we want to see. break that heavy resistance before then shooting down. This is what I'm retested this. You know, it's testing that resistance zone again. Look, you can zoom right in. The price action, see rejection off that. Get a re-entry here. We can get a cheeky little buy. Could have entered here. Could have entered here. You know, a couple of times. 1 minute to go on this candle, minute 40. This zone, let's push, come on. We get the sell.
Just in time.
Just in time.
Just in time.
You alright? We just took some nice wins on the open, just took a couple of nice wins on that news, and now I'm just holding, see if I can get another couple of buys on US30 before I sell it, and then I'm going to see if I can get the sales on the gold as well. So that's what my aim is. I just wanted to see if this broke above this resistance and we get a re-entry here, look, and then we can be in.
Ooh, gold shot back up above 1800.
Yeah, it's been holding. Beautiful. It's ranging now, look, but it's going to get a drop. It's going to get a retest, look. It's been such a big bullish run. We've had a drop down to here, look. So I've drawn out the pattern, waiting. And the PMI news was good, so I'm expecting this to be a drop and come back down to this level here, back to 18. It's a flat. You can see the flat baseline, so that's why I'm setting my target. I want to get this. At the same time, I want to double whammy on US30. I want to get this if I can, and then get the pullback to the breakout zone. So it'll slow down a little bit as you'd expect, but that's it for the news for this week.
Been a good week.
Yeah. There you go. There's the push up. I'm in and I'm out. There you go. Great. What was that? 21 and 20. That's £41. That was about $65. There you go. That's all I wanted. Look at that. Hit the TP. Told you. Perfect. Now we're going to sell. Bloody sell. Sell. So hit the TP, as you can see there, look, spiked and hit it as I said it would. Now let's wait for the sell-off. Know this pattern. I mean, it could drop all the way right back down to our neutral support zone. It'd be great. So now I'm going to take this TP1 and drop it down. At least our breakout zone, and then TP2 above our neutral zone around here. After all that bad news, you say US30's recouped all the losses.
can stop. We could see clearly now. We could see clearly now.
I'm waiting for this now. And the RSI will give me the trigger. We're either going to go back in for a buy in a minute, look, or we're going to then wait for the sell. So let's see. Gold spiked up as well, look. Yeah, it's just messing us around a little bit of manipulation, but that's fine. We know the levels we've set. A nice flat AG part, so flushed in, look.
I smoke too much. I drink too much. I tell myself.
Yeah, quick one.
That
Yeah, we did. There we go. Yeah, we're in and out on gold. Got in there. Got 17 and 16. So that was £32, about $50, all on the RSI. Even though I'm waiting for sales, there's no reason to wait and not take the buys. Once they get the go ahead. There you go.
we could see clearly now.
This is real scalping. Got to go with what the RSI tells you at times and the structure. And I said it would push up to here, look, to the breakout zone before we get a drop. You know, I moved it. I shouldn't have done. I should have left it there. It's bang on. But I want to catch this leg. Look how much time we've spent in the green. So, and the average line's come up because obviously the average has been, 64. That tells you it's been kind of getting to the oversold. The higher the average line is, the more you're going to get this look, where it stays below. I'm just waiting now for a sell-off on it.
It's gonna come.
Yep. And I think there'll be a sell on US30 as well. Again, we could have gone in here for a buy, look. We just crossed over on the RSI. Are we too late? Are we too late? Is it going to fill that wick? It's just come back in, gone out again, look. Light green, dark green. Let's see. Again, quick in and out before we start looking at selling. Retest that zone again one more time. And we got it. We're in and out. Ooh, yeah, good. Nice one. What was that? 22 and 13. So £35. That's another $50, $60 there. We're on it today. We're on it. We are through scalping.
Gold's pulling back off that resistance zone.
Two more bars in US30. Now I'm waiting for sales. Beautiful, nice little jump in on that. That was. So we've taken two losses today, 54 cents and 36 cents. I'm gutted.
It's a shame.
I know. It ruins the green on the screen. than up. $33 trades so far since the start of London, the end of the Asian. 33 trades and just the 2 losses, and the losses are less than $1, so we're doing well, we're hanging on. Let's just see if we get any of this nice pullback now. US30 up. Gold, is it getting ready? Is it getting ready?
Looks like it.
Yep, just gotta wait. Right, sat on that zone now.
You claim this love that you never started. You once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have.
You know, that nice big 15-minute bullish candle, and then we've had a Morningstar doji rejection. So yeah, I'm just looking at the bigger picture on US30. It's, you know, the price action candle looking good for us on gold. We'll just steady rise, reaction, 8 left. Still bullish, but still push it down a little bit now. Bit more. 827, down. RSI's just across the average look on now. US30 the same look. RSI's got a long way to go though yet before we see red on this. On gold, crossed. Still holding, but wants to push down. Like I'm watching it, you can see it. Go, another nice push down. US30. Gonna get back to our trend line, this is great. Gonna hit our TP1 very soon, look. Still green. There's good structure. the last couple of trades. Gold now pushing back up again. Look, it's gone bullish again. We're still not getting a sell. We could have had a nice another buy on the top there. Look, now we're just gonna wait. Said at 18.10, and if it breaks above this, we're on to 18.14. So we won't be looking for any sells. We'll be taking more buys, but that's fine. Doesn't really matter. No matter which way we get in there and get some money. We just did. There we go. Ooh, what was that? 13 and 14. So that was 17 pounds, about $28 there. $28 I just scalped in the 5-second talking view. That's purely because of that RSI again. Look, going bright green, entering that zone, saw it wick down, got it in the bottom of the wick, got out again. That's what scalping. You scalp. Well, we will watch and wait, and I'll post in the group while we wait for some sales to come off. I'm sticking with this. It is going to happen. We'll catch it once it does. Broken on that trend line now, so we'll hold and see. US30 is going to come back, hit our TP. Let's see if we can get to our TP2 here as well. So that's nearly 40 trades, and say just a couple of losses. And that's purely because of me not sitting the trades correctly. It was good, but this has less than $1. So we're well up again for the day. wait for this drop later on as well. Post that in the group. But thank you for joining us this week. Like I say, we'll aim to do some more live streams maybe on crypto over the weekend, and we'll definitely do a few more next week. But thanks everyone for watching, giving a like, whatever. And if you want to join the group, like I say, just go to www.mohawkforex.com and we'll teach you how to use the system and scalp like we're doing now. Even when it goes against our initial thoughts, it doesn't matter. We still get in there and we still win, and we just wait for it to come our way. That's totally fine. Gold's now pumping back up again. Look, breaking that zone. Another nice buy. That's the thing with this system, there's so many opportunities to go either way. It doesn't really matter to us. Obviously, we just wait for everything to come together between the fundamentals, the news drive, and the AX system. We're looking for waiting for US30 to drop off, and waiting for gold as well. So I've been on these trades and I'll post them in the Discord group. No more news today, as you can see. Let's just see what investing said. SP type new high, you see. So we're waiting for a pullback on this basically. There's some nice ranging, some nice resistance. We'll see if we get back to our TP1 and TP2 on here. I'll post that later. And gold exactly the same. Nice bull run. Had that correction for the open that we caught. We said we'd sell, and it's gone against the news this time. Sometimes it does do that. Doesn't matter, because we just hold and wait for the correction, and then we'll get in on the sells here once we see RSI cross out of our zone and cross our average line. Well, thanks Justin for joining me all this week from Florida.
Absolutely. I'm going to be signing off from Atlanta today, and we'll see Atlanta. You going from Texas to California next week. Excellent.
Yeah, you are a roving trader. We'll be in touch then. We'll be back. So we might even do some crypto over the weekend. Let's see. But
just let me know. We'll pop in for a quick live.
Yeah, great stuff. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for joining again this week, and please share the YouTube channel. We're just growing, starting to grow. So appreciate everybody kind of sharing and telling people what we're doing. And like I say, you can go to the website and check us out. So until our next live stream, stay safe and of course trade safe. And we'll see you on the next stream. Take care all. See you later.